In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to star emails in Yahoo Mail. By the end, you'll know exactly how to mark important messages so they're easy to find and where to go to view them all in one place. First, open your web browser and go to yahoo.com. Starting from the home page keeps things simple and makes sure you're in the right place before you head to your mailbox. If you use bookmarks, you can go straight there, but visiting the home page is a reliable way to begin. Next, click the sign in button at the top right and enter your account credentials. Follow any on-screen prompts until you're signed in. Depending on your settings, you may be asked to verify your sign-in for security. Once you're in, you'll be returned to the Yahoo home experience. From here, click the mail icon at the top right. It looks like an envelope and takes you directly to Yahoo Mail. This opens the main mail interface where you can see your folders on the left and your messages in the middle. Once you're in Yahoo Mail, click on Inbox. That's where your new messages appear by default. You'll see a list of emails with senders, subjects, and timestamps. Unread messages are usually bold, and hovering over a message will reveal a few helpful icons. To star an email, click the star icon next to the message you want to highlight. When the star is active, it usually turns a brighter color, confirming that the message has been marked. If you change your mind, click the star again to remove it. Starring doesn't move the message or change its content. It simply flags it so you can spot it quickly later. You can star any message in your inbox or other folders, and you can star as many messages as you need. If you don't immediately see the star, try widening your browser window or hovering over the message to reveal it. To view all of your starred emails, look for the starred section on the left side of the screen. In some layouts, it may appear under a Views heading. Click it to see every message you've flagged gathered in one convenient place. From this view, you can open a message, reply, or remove the star to clear it once you're done. Any changes you make here sync instantly, and you can return to your inbox at any time. That's it. Use stars to keep your most important messages front and center, and unstar items as you finish them to keep the list tidy. Your starred messages will stay in sync across devices, making organization effortless wherever you check your mail.